The North Haven Housing Authority chairman who's charged with sexual assault. We have new developments on that tonight. The new information is about that prominent North Haven businessman now being charged with sexual assault. There was a court hearing today for that suspect, who's also the director of the city's housing authority. News 8's Noel Gardner has the latest.
Ralph Cook, the North Haven housing official, posting bond and walking out of Meriden Superior Court this afternoon after his arraignment. Cook is charged with first-degree sexual assault and unlawful restraint. Cook's bond was reduced from $250,000 to $100,000. Cook's attorney, William Dow, says his client will plead not guilty.
The one hallmark is the lesson that we learned from Duke Lacrosse. Somebody's been arrested doesn't mean they've done it, and that is, a perfect example of why there's something called the presumption of innocence.
Authorities say the 49-year-old hosted a party at his home on Mountain Brook Road in October of 2013. Investigators say Cook forced a guest at the party to perform sexual acts. According to the arrest warrant, the victim accuses Cook of drugging him, then performing sexual acts on him. The warrant goes on to say, after the sexual assault, Cook threatened to kill the victim. The victim told investigators Cook threatened to kill him at least 5 times during the sexual encounters. The North Haven Police Department investigating this case for a year before making an arrest Tuesday. Dow says his client was planning on turning himself in.
There was a dialogue that began as of last Thursday when I was out of town and notified of the existence of the warrant, and we had made arrangements to turn himself in when I got back to town, and I'd had a chance to talk about the situation with my client.
Attorney William Dow standing by his client.
There's a bunch of paperwork. It'll be reviewed. It's the state's obligation to prove the charges against my client. He is presumed to be innocent. He's going to plead not guilty, and we'll review whatever evidence the state contends it has.
Reporting in Meriden, Noel Gardner, News 8.